this is Arkadeep Khashnobish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. Today I'm back again on YouTube with a new video, and this video is basically a continuation video of the series of videos of our Thailand and Malaysia tour, which I've been doing since the past few days. So today is the final day and this is the part 8 of our Thailand and Malaysia tour. Keep watching this video. If you really enjoy watching this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family and hit the thumbs up button. It would really mean a lot to me and would also help me out. And you can also press the bell icon for getting notified whenever I post a new video on YouTube. So it's currently 11:58 am. I woke up long time back. I had my breakfast also and I'm all ready for today. At 12 p.m. we'll check out from the hotel. Then we'll go for some sightseeing and shopping, and our flight will take off at 10:30 p.m. sharp tonight according to Malaysia's time. So today is the last day. The tour has come to an end actually. So let's go, and I'm also taking you all along with me. Keep watching. This is our hotel, Furama Bukit Bintang. A quick update about this hotel. This hotel is not really a good hotel. The service is terrible. Because I'm telling you all, because we have to carry our own luggages all by ourselves. They're not helping us. They're saying you have to be self-dependent. You have to carry your own luggage all by yourself. So never ever come to this hotel again. This is one of the worst and terrible hotel, I'm telling you, till date. Having chicken.
কি খাচ্ছিস?
Guys, it's currently 2:01 p.m. right now, and we have come to Malaysia's King's Palace. We have come to visit the place. We will not be allowed to get inside the palace, so we will have to just click pictures from outside. So let's go. And before coming here, we already had our lunch. Today's lunch was actually nice, and I'm full now, so let's go. I'm also showing you everything. Keep watching. So guys, I'm just standing right in front at the gate of the Malaysia's King's Palace. The name of Malaysia's current king is the 10th king of Malaysia, is Sultan Ibrahim, and this palace actually looks very beautiful from outside. I'm also showing you all the whole view and everything. Keep watching. Guys, it's currently 2:25 p.m. right now, and we have come to the National Monument of Malaysia, which is dedicated to all the soldiers who died in the wars. And this place is really very beautiful. I'm taking clips as much as possible. You all keep watching. We have visited the National Monument of Malaysia already, and I couldn't click a single picture because nobody is there to click my picture. Everybody is busy clicking their own pictures. So I don't have any picture with the monument or anything of my own for Insta or anywhere. Guys, it's currently 3:19 p.m. right now, and we have come to Harriston Boutique, which is a chocolate factory. We'll get inside. There are testers available also, so we'll be allowed to test some chocolates. Then if we like the taste, then we can buy some. So let's go inside and see what's there. Keep watching.
This one we calling chocolate, milk power chocolate, milk chocolate है. ये वाला प्योर वाइट है, ये वाला प्योर डार्क 99% बहुत कड़वा है, but it's very good for health in hand. Okay, summer here we have 80%, 72% and 58% dark chocolate is less sugar chocolate. एक पैकेट ले लो ना 100 रिंगेट, 2 पैकेट का 107 रिंगेट है. ये वाला 40 से अच्छा है.
Hey guys, so it's currently 3:37 p.m. right now, and we have visited the chocolate factory. We also tasted some samples, and the taste was really very nice. But the price, compared to their quality and the taste, the price is too much. I mean, for example, they are charging 50 ringgit for one pack of chocolate. 1 ringgit equals to rupees 20, like INR 20. So 20 into 50, which is like you have to pay 1000 rupees for a small box of chocolate, which is not worth it, I guess. And also I'm not that much fond of chocolate, so I didn't buy anything. So some people from our group actually bought some chocolates for themselves. I think that's an end to the sightseeing. Anyways, let's go and see what's happening. I'm showing all everything. Keep watching. It's 17 p.m. currently, and we have reached Times Square already. This is a very big shopping mall. Let's go inside and see what's there. If I find anything worthy, I will buy. Otherwise, I'll just have to visit the place. You all keep watching. I'm also taking you along with me. 5:43 p.m. right now, and I am done with my shopping. I bought a lot of things. I bought a pair of sunglasses, then a belt, a wallet, oh yeah, and also a perfume. And it's been a really lovely experience. Now we have come to AI cha, ice cream and tea, and we'll be having something. So you all keep watching. I'll get back to you guys after some. currently 9:42 p.m. right now, and we have already reached the airport long time back. It was just that we were busy with all the immigration. There was a long queue, and we were scared for a moment that we might miss the flight. But fortunately, the immigration and everything is done. Now we'll head towards the flight. Our tour has come to an end. Now it's time to return back home. So let's go. I'll get back to you guys after some time. Hi. Hoi 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 hoi. Hoi 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 hoi. Haglu, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Camera. Guys, it's currently 10:25 p.m. right now according to Malaysia's time, and we have boarded the flight finally, and now we are just relaxing for some time. The flight will take off sharp at 10:25 p.m. after some time, and we are heading towards Kolkata. It will take 4 hours 5 minutes to reach Kolkata, and it's a direct flight. So you all keep watching. I'll get back to you guys after some time. Also, it's very dark outside, and I have got a window seat, but I don't know if I will be able to click any clips or things. I'll still try my level best to click as much clips as possible. You all keep watching. It's currently 11:16 p.m. right now, and our flight has taken off already. I'm just relaxing for some time. It's too dark outside to click any videos or pictures, but still, when the flight took off and when the city lights were visible, I tried to click the aerial pictures of those things. It really looked very beautiful. I'm really very hungry, so you all keep watching. I'll get back to you guys after some time. Just now we had something shroom wrap, which consisted of all the boiled vegetables, mushrooms and other vegetables, and it was terrible in taste. It was awful in taste actually. I didn't like it even 1%, and also still hungry, planning to buy some cup of noodles for myself. Let's see. You all keep watching. Hey guys, it's currently 3 a.m. right now. It's very late at night, and we returned to our house long time back. I didn't get the time to talk to you guys at the airport because an unforeseen situation took place for a moment. My grandmom's luggage was missing. Somebody took my grandmom's luggage by mistake from the belt, and we were looking for it. So we had to wait at the airport for 1 hour and a half extra, and we were stuck there. Unfortunately, she got back her luggage. That's why I didn't get the time to talk to you guys. Anyways, it's time for me to end this series, Thailand and Malaysia tour series, which I have been doing since the past few days. The tour has come to an end and finally I'm back home, and it's so relaxing to come back to my house. Now I really need some rest. I really need some break, you can say. Anyways, but the 7 to 8 days tour have been really nice. I got to visit so many places and also 2 different countries I got to visit, and some of the best things which I did in this tour was sea canoeing, then zip lining, snorkeling and many other things. So this tour was really nice, and I hope you guys also enjoy watching all the videos. And if you really enjoyed watching this video as well, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family and hit the thumbs button. It would really mean a lot to me and would also help me out. And you can also press the bell icon for getting notified whenever I post a new video on YouTube. So that's all. Stay safe, take care, and stay tuned. I'll hope to come back on YouTube with something very soon. Bye bye. I'm damn tired now. Let me go and sleep. Good night.